Hey, this is Chad Christensen with Raggedwood Bus. Why don't you come on in, take a look around.
All right. Get a shot of that.
This is our bus. It's a 1996 Thomas built bus with the 5.9 Cummins in it. So it's got the 5.45 Allison transmission. So yeah, this is where we live. I don't know what else you want me to say. we just put this table in this year. We've been in our bus just over 5 years. So we're going on our 6th year. We used to have 2 benches here. We started out with 4 kids. Yeah, so we took out one of the benches this year and put a dinette in, which is really nice. We like that.
Sure.
Bookshelves.
I always like to see buses with bookshelves.
Yeah, we've got lots of books. We wish, I mean, back home we have boxes of books, shelves of books. My wife always wants to take more, but so. Our kitchen area. We got a little RV stove here, a little vintage one. It's a cool find. We just put in this little shelf here. All our utensil stuff back there.
Yep.
Yeah. This is my wife, Kimi. I don't know if you've met her before. Our fridge, RV fridge, was a used one that we found. It's worked great.
Now this is the propane.
Yeah, it's like the 3-way, I think they call it. So yeah, propane or AC. We always run out on propane in our pantry. So, and like I said, we had 4 kids, so we had 4 different bunks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can turn the light on so you can see a little better. So now we just have our 2 younger kids living with us, and so we have them on the bottom bunks, and then we just, as you can see, it's just a mess. Stuff gets thrown up here.
Yep.
This is we turned this into our kind of food pantry storage area. So come back through. We got, turn on some more lights so you can see better. Toilet room here, the Nature's Head.
Yep.
Compost. We have a shower over here, which we tiled.
Like everybody else's shower, it's storage when you're not needing it as a shower.
Yeah, that's what showers are, right? Storage area. This we just got a little tub out of a wrecked RV, and so that worked out perfect for the size we wanted and everything. So it's real nice. Then we have a separate sink area. So, and this was a cool find too. It's like 25 cents we paid for that little sink. And back here we have the master bedroom. It's a full-size bed, which suits us just great. Then underneath it lifts up, and we have our water storage and our heater, our water heater under there and stuff like that. So
now, how big a water?
Our water tank is about 60-gallon capacity, which I would like to have bigger.
We all would. I've got 40 gallons. I wish I'd put in a 60 or 100. But
we actually started out and just put in a 40-gallon, and it just wasn't enough. And so we had a little slot that a 20-gallon one would fit into.
Yeah.
So then we linked them together, and it's really hard for us to get full capacity. We'd probably get about 50 gallons actually.
Right.
Just because you fill the one and it kind of just level fills the other one.
Sure.
It never gets quite full. So.
Yeah. Well, 40 gallons for me. I'm one person.
Yeah.
It can last me 2 weeks if I'm careful.
Yeah. We go through, and it's like probably 4 days. For a tank, so
well, you got more people.
Yeah.
So, how much solar do you have?
We have about 800 watts of solar.
Okay. It's about the same as me.
Yeah, we started out with only 400.
It's about the same as me.
We added 400 more. We'd like to add more. I don't know if you can see this right here. We can kind of show you our power station. It's kind of tight. Just get this in. close-up shot of it. But it's the Goal Zero Yeti.
All right.
All-in-one solar generator is what they call it. So it's a 280 amp hour capacity battery. It's got two different charge controllers on it. One's an MPPT and the other one is the WPM, I think they're called. If that's right, I can't remember, but
yeah.
So you can run about 400 watts into each of those. So that's our 800 watts of solar. So, but it's worked out great. We like having it because we can take it out if we need to and take it with us wherever we go.
Right.
If we're not in the bus, it's easy, just plug in type of thing. It's got all the controls built into it. So
they're becoming more and more popular.
Yeah, and they're getting better and better. Like the new one they just came out with has the ability to take in like 3,000 watts of solar, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
So it's charged a lot faster. The battery is, they build like expandable tanks so you can have more battery power and stuff like that. So,
well, thank you. I like the way your bus is laid out.
Yeah, we like it too.